there's a China guy, he came out here. He told one of our, he told the guy that delivers the petrol that he has friends in the high government, so he doesn't have to pay because he owes them 11 million, and he's telling the guy that he has friends in government, so he doesn't have to pay him.
One driver who supplies diesel to the company is allegedly owed over $11 million.
Truckmen have been here over 1 month now. They have been delivering malt. They have been delivering stone to do the Chinese contractors' work, and we haven't gotten any pay. We have a gas oil person who has been delivering gas oil to them over here. They have not paid him. They have owed him over $11 million. And we, the truckers, are here. Some of our truckers, they are owed $1 million, some $800,000.
You know, since it's my first time on the stage and I don't know the rules, I'm gonna share a little story. You know, back in 2009, 2010, Marlene and I met at a diaspora conference in Connecticut, and we got a chance to really sit down and share. And I said, I know this is a bit sensitive, but I hear, you know, the PNP has started a rumor that you're the Prime Minister's girlfriend. And she looked at me and she said, no, I'm hearing that it's you. So, you know, what was not known at the time is that the JLP had a tradition.
Murder! My viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you like and share up this video for me now. Like and share the video with everybody where you know. Jesus Christ, Audrey Marks come bust Marlene color who business. Audrey, what you say? You hear PNP has said that Mala who a Devon girlfriend? Well, stop call PNP name. Somebody type stop call PNP name. Audrey, just tell her say you did want ask her the truth. Hey! And my viewers and subscribers, what are the Chinese them out of order? You see how they want to treat the Jamaican people them? This must not be allowed, you know, at the JLP. Allow the Chinese them to behave, say, you know, you the Chinese man them say, them have links in high places, friends in high places, friends in government. Wanna listen to this and ball out, them can't treat with so.
There's tension in Miami Bay, Sintan, as truck drivers employed to the China Harbour Engineering Company staged a protest over unpaid salaries. The drivers expressed their frustration with the company's refusal to pay salaries owed for several months. They claim the company owes them millions. A truck strategically parked, blocking the entrance of the China Harbour Engineering Company construction site in Miami Bay, Santana. A definite ploy by the drivers to get the Chinese manager's attention. Close by, the drivers encircle a security officer and Chinese construction managers. Several truck drivers are employed to truck construction material like stone, marl, and diesel to the construction site. They say they are frustrated over alleged weeks of unpaid labor. One driver who supplies diesel to the company is allegedly owed over $11 million.
Truckmen have been here over 1 month now. They have been delivering malt. They have been delivering stone to do the Chinese contractors' work, and we haven't gotten any pay. We have a gas oil person who has been delivering gas oil to them over here. They have not paid him. They have owed him over $11 million. And we, the truckers, are here. Some of our truckers, they are owed $1 million, some $800,000. So we are restive now. We can't stay here no longer and let the Chinese come here and owe us for 1 month and over 1 month and not pay. We need our money.
The driver further alleges during the deliberation, one Chinese manager made an explosive claim that he has connections that would exempt him from paying the truck drivers. The security officer tried to maintain order, assuring the men the situation would be resolved and appealed to them to stay calm.
Right now, we haven't seen anybody yet. We have been here. there's a security guy that's trying to tell us what to do, and we can't listen to the security guy because the security guy is not who pays. There's a China guy, he came out here. He told he told the guy that delivers the petrol that he has friends in the high government, so he doesn't have to pay because he owes them 11 million, and he's telling the guy that he has friends in government, so he doesn't have to pay him.
Now, during the heated exchanges, the manager told the drivers payments are only due after a month as per contract.
I gave you a contract. I gave you a price. We have the contract. We can pay for you, but we need the diesel to continue to stand. How am I going to get money to pay diesel? We talking for the payment. We talking for the payment date. What payment date? The payment date is 1 month. We can check for the bank report. We can check for the bank report. We pay or not? How do I? We continue for pay or not? Where is we wrong?
So my viewers and subscribers, that must like and share the video with everybody where you know, because I want to see what going on in Jamaica, you know. The Chinese them seem like they come to take over, you know. And they not treat the Jamaican people them good, you know. Who them not beat. I've played videos for you where Miss Chin a deal with the Jamaican woman and slap her. A man call my program and say, oh, Miss Chin jump and kick him. And you see that them work the people them and don't want to pay the people them. Oh, the people them all $11 million. No, man, this they want justice, you know. We're calling on the Ministry of Labour, Pernell Charles. You have to look into this. And you have to ensure that the people them get paid, because nobody from Jamaica can leave go China and open a business and work the Chinese and not pay them. You're mad. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. The next thing me going to talk about, Warmington claim him a give the election date. He might talk like something in my mouth. Me not understand. Only see if you can make out where I say no. Listen for me election date timeline.
Here council. Next month we're going to Andrew Weekly constituency for next meeting. And in the 13th of July, here council 2 gonna roll out in Olaba for the gospel concert to start the victory march. When we go Olaba, we start victory march. Once we have the gospel concert, a man send months ago we went down to Era Clark. When you have a gospel concert, boss, that's what you have. You say anytime you have gospel concert, election is close, and when you have it, we are winning.
So yes, my viewers and subscribers, we know say him a mama lashy, you know, mama long tongue, you know. And when him take out film tongue and talk, nobody can control him, you know. Yes, remember sir, him did tell we pan one public meeting, talk out them business, you know, that they want to make Portmore a parish, and when them do it, PNP will never win it. And that is why Portmore is not a parish today, because Warmington talk out JLP business, and him sorry after. So when you hear him talk like this and give an election prediction, you have to pay attention to it. So most people are saying that he must say that the JLP gospel concert are going to kick it off in July. You know, and after that and couple other days, and they're going to Andrew Wheatley constituency. I must say the 8th of June them are going to so. Then after that, him say July, either the 13th of July or the 30th of July, them are going to start gospel concert. I don't understand what I'm saying, okay? I'm sound like one banana in my mouth or one cucumber or something, you know. You understand? Or one acorn in my mouth, so I don't understand him. But anyway, people are saying that, you know, it looked like August of the election. People are saying that it like August. Which date you think? Type in the comments. Remember to like and share the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to Jamaica Hot Topic, where we bring you the hottest and latest news. Audrey, behave yourself and mind Chevron put you out of parliament. Mind size 30.